Hi Morton, I'm obviously Andrew, we've been speaking. I've got Colin here. We're going to do a little bit of research into some of the behavioural aspects of people in China who's doing foreign exchange trading. So whilst I've been chatting to Colin in the office, I thought it best to capture some of that and then we can share it with you, and maybe you can learn something out of it.
I'm 24 years old and I've just done my master's degree and I'm from Shanghai.
Okay, so you're from Shanghai, master's educated, smart guy.
Yes, I've done it like from 3 years ago.
3 years. So you've been trading actively for 3 years, or?
No, I've been trading for 2 years actually. So because I went to study last year, so I just have a gap. It's referred from one of my friends, and he's doing it for 4 or 5 years. It's quite long, and he says it's a quite good opportunity to do a foreign exchange.
Okay, so your friend told you, did he tell you face to face, or was it on an email recommendation, or?
Oh, it's casual conversation during dinner. I says, I see I earn quite a lot of money during the last 5 months or 6 months, and so you can do it as well. So
okay, cool. So just a friend referral. And have you referred any other friends?
Yeah, sure. I actually even referred to my family members.
Yeah.
And they tried it, but it kind of needs a little bit information and casual exchange stuff. Yeah, my friends are still in it now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And they're all about the same age as you?
Yeah, they are like just at my education level and at my age. We've been friends for quite a long time, and because I study in a business school for my bachelor degree, so a lot of people around me just doing Forex all the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of people in your friends' network actually doing FX trading?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I trade this with this company called Gain Capital UK, and the website is just www.forex.com.cn, I think. Okay. And they're quite a good company, and I have the third custody at Sumitomo Mitsui Bank. It's a Japanese bank, so my capital is totally safe. Yeah. And it's good. It's a good one.
Yeah. And so when you do a trade, how much are you trading with? When you start your account, how much did you put into your account?
I put like $20,000.
You put $20,000 USD?
Yeah, USD, yeah.
Okay. So I think this is important, Morton. You're 24 years of age, so you're 21 when you started?
Yeah.
21 when he started, and he put in $20,000.
Yeah.
$20,000 USD into the account to begin.
Yeah, I can't say it's typical, but most people will start from like $5,000 to $10,000. Okay. Yeah, it depends on different families. Well, basically they provided a course that tells us everything. Everything about Forex, how to look at the charts, how to decide what I do after I see the information. Yeah, it's a 3 months course, I think. So it took quite a long time, And
so did you train for 3 months and then start trading?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah. So you waited till you had the confidence, and then you invested your money into the account.
Yeah, there's 2 ways to do it. The first way is like you learn it yourself and you do it yourself. The other way is you ask them to do it for you, but I don't think that's a good idea. So I tend to learn it myself. And
what about your friends? Do they all?
Yeah, because they are all majoring in finance also, like they got quite a good understanding of foreign exchange. So that's why they tend to do it. Yeah, because I'm doing this, so I see quite a lot of stuff on Weibo. When there's groups, there are quite a lot of people, like thousands or even 10,000 people gather together and talk about all the information and exchange their opinions, something like that. Yeah, it's quite positive.
Okay, that's great. I think we've learned a little bit from Colin. Thanks, Colin. High five. Okay, I've got my second candidate for today. Is in Shao.
I'm 23 years old. I'm from France, and I've just graduated like last year from business school.
Okay.
And
just to check that, he's born in France, lives in China, 23 years of age, and from Shanghai.
From Shanghai.
Living in Shanghai.
Living in Shanghai.
Yeah.
Yes, I've been doing Forex for about a year and a half. It was from a friend. Like a friend of mine was doing Forex and had been like doing for really like a couple of years.
Yeah.
And he was actually earning money. You know, he was really like doing it for a living. So and he suggested me to do it because he knew that I was very interested in trading this stuff, but I never really started to do it. So then I just started to learn things about Forex, to read books, to go to a lot of websites, you know, and just to get informed. Yeah, like basically at that time, my friend was doing Forex trading on Finotech.com.
Okay.
So he suggested me that one, and I started trading on Finotech.com. Yeah, still. Well, I'm doing less than before because, you know, like since I'm in Shanghai, you know, with the I've been like, because I've been working lately, like I'm doing more like as a hobby than for a living, you know. Well, you know, because I'm really somebody who likes to learn new things, so I've started with the forex trading, and then I switched to like maybe to stocks. So I think like trading stocks is easier because like in forex trading there's so much volatility, and it's like just within the seconds, you know, like it's really like can be very very wild. So while trading stocks, like you can select some value stocks or some growth stocks. Like I mean, don't necessarily have to be very aggressive on trading. So I think I'd say I prefer trading stocks. Yeah. My first account was a $10,000 account.
$10,000 USD.
USD, yeah.
Yeah, about 1 year ago.
1 year ago, yeah.
Okay. So that's interesting. Deposit $10,000 USD.
Well, I do it with like just within the month, you know.
Yeah.
Because first time I was losing money, but then I started to.
So do you have the confidence to go back trading, or would you go back doing Forex?
Yeah, sure. I mean, no. Then I mean, when I lost my first account, $10,000 account, at that time I was like, you know, like trading with my own money. So I was at that time I lost like 10,000, but I wasn't. I mean, when you do trading, like either it's like Forex or stocks, you don't have to be afraid of losing, because if you're afraid of losing, you're not, you know, it's not for you. Trading is not for you. So basically, I just opened another 10,000 account. So yeah, and I started to like just to learn from my mistakes, because the first time I learned a lot from my mistakes, and then I started to, you know, to be earning money. I wasn't losing anymore. My friend, he's really like doing for a living. He worked before in a investing bank, for an investment bank in France. He was working for BNP Paribas, so one of the biggest banks in Paris. So like he's still doing it and for a living, and he's really good. So he taught me a lot. No, I think sure, my friend has played a big part in it, but I think it's still myself. You know, I'm personally really interested in like following news, like economic news, because like it's really something like you have it's like trading. It's part of there's a part of gambling, you know. But you have like, it's really also based on your knowledge, on your like on how you you know, you trade, how you the timing, how you you work, like if you use like fundamentals or chart patterns, or so it's really like very complex. So, and I like when, you know, it really makes you think a lot. And
so you enjoy the process, do you?
Yeah, I enjoy the process. Really like, and like when you just, you know, when you you just like you're like in a trading session, and then you end the session winning money. You just feel very happy. Yeah, I think so. But I just talk about it with my friends. You know, I'm not. I don't really talk about it with my parents or like friends who are not into trading.
Okay.
Because I think it's also sort of kind of personal too. It's kind of personal. It's really something. You want to do for yourself.
Yeah. Okay, that was good. Thanks, Shao. Hope you enjoyed that. Chat later.